look at the map of Latvia, in one of its quietest and most untouched corners, you'll find this beautiful little paradise called Melnsils. We have been coming here for more than 10 years now, and we've dreamed of buying a piece of land here for just as long, but without any luck so far. We have been lucky enough to experience this place in so many different ways, as guests, as employees, and as friends. Knock, knock. Anybody home? Jā, stārķis tas ir. Small village charm and barefoot living. One small grocery store, villagers who I know by their names and say hello to. No rushing, no traffic, nothing commercial, just peace and quiet. There's a beautiful campsite here that welcomes everyone, and over the years it's become a place where we shared countless moments with family and friends.
Do you want a photo?
Oh, no, thank you. Birds always singing. There hasn't been a summer without Melnsils barefoot running around amongst the trees, bathing in the sea. So one extremely rainy boat trip that I'll show you on next episode later. We can't miss a little stop by Grandma's to eat some berries and get those fresh first vegetables. The actual taste of summer. So we have packed our bags again and ready for the next adventure, where our story takes us to our daughter's second birthday celebration. We booked our favorite house on the spot for 2 days, and a very old log house right next to the sea.
Hello.
The weather wasn't great the first day when we arrived, but we really stayed hopeful. Ja, det är jätte.
Smagāk.
Ārprāts. Well, the weather gave us the 1 hour to catch a quick photo shoot. Yeah. We have all our memories and hundreds of pictures and videos all over our phones. But recently, thinking about how our daughter is growing up so fast and seeing it all happen, we thought that we need to make this one special time and give it a try to capture some family memories in a frame. The next morning I woke up with the sun, what has been my favorite thing to do here all those years earlier. The sun rises exactly from the sea and the golden hour is marvelous. It wasn't the perfect beach day either, but we had warm clothing and really good mood. A really amazing place to enjoy, so it was hard not to. We went for some forest and beach walks, some sauna afterwards, also some fun safari trips with Jeep that actually me and my husband organized here in Slītere. You can find more information on our website and contact us if you're interested to experience wild Latvia from our point of view. Gatherings are so special when we're making memories for us and the smallest one, watching her grow all together and celebrate and cherish it. So once again, all my gratitude for this beautiful place, all the nature here, and the owners and hosts who keep this place open for every one of us. If you are visiting Latvia, you can't miss this corner of paradise. See you on the next episode. Bye!